Howdy mates, welcome to our construction site and we hope you like this video. Well, today's video is going to be sponsored by nothing, but this video is going to be amazing. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey Sloth. Hey guys. What are you doing today? I'm just trying to get off of this thing. Do you guys think you can help me? Should we? Yes, we should. That would be nice. And that would be so friendly. And kindness is right. Okay then, let's help him. Here. Okay, we're gonna try to lift you up with this one. If we just had a boulder, but they cleaned up the boulders yesterday. Yeah. I got an idea. Let's go ask Bucky to help us. Bucky! Ooh. Hey Bucky. Hey guys, what you need help with? I heard you guys talking about somebody needed help. And helping is kind. Well, he got stuck on there. Sloth got stuck and he can't get out of it. Do you guys want me to help or do you guys want me to get somebody else to help? How about you just try, please? We're trying to get this to use it, but we haven't tried yet. But you guys should. Then I'll help. Okay, let's try. It's too hard, guys. What should we do? Bucky, do you got an answer? Yes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna somebody strong. But we're not stronger than you. And then we're not heavier enough. Really? Oh no, that would be rude. I was gonna say, wait. Well, sorry guys, we had to stop for just one little pause. But don't worry, we'll keep going right now. So, well, okay guys, I got an idea. What, Bucky, what? We really need an idea. Okay, I hope nobody get hurt. And I promise you nobody wouldn't get hurt, okay? Only if we try. Okay, guys, okay, how about, oh, I got an idea. I'm gonna go get Bulldozer, and he's gonna be the one who lift us up. I'm gonna need you to try to find a way to get on. Guys, well, I'm running out of gas, so we'll get you some gas right after. No, he needs gas now. Okay, here, I'm gonna fill it up with some gas. Is it high enough? Let me see. Okay, it is. Better go do this. Okay, and we're gonna get in. I'm in. Boom, boom. You guys, hurry up. Okay, wait, Flash. Well, I'm not really fast, so just stop calling me Flash. Whatever. Hey, don't talk to him like that. He's trying to help. I am here. Somebody said they need help. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna throw you guys over in 3, 2, 1. Ow. Oh, my back. Oh. Okay, are you guys alright? Here, guys, I got an idea. Don't you know how this could connect? My back hurt. What about my face? You guys alright? I'm fine. Me too. Okay, guys, how about you guys will how about you guys try to move this thing more back up, and then we'll try to no. Okay, but guys, we're gonna try to push. You guys get in and push our gas as fast as possible. Boom, boom. Ready? We're gonna flip you over or try to get you down in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Ugh. Ow. I gotta get up now. It's gonna take me such a long time. I'm almost there. I'm stuck. Okay, gotta do the skip a bit. Okay, guys, I'm ready. I'm going on Flash Cardia Dash. Yeah. Really Flash Cardi Dash. Even though I'm not fast, well, it doesn't make sense for me, a sloth, but well, that's fine. Flash. What are you doing? Ow. Sorry. Flash, what are you doing? We just got you unstuck. Don't worry. I think I can back off the rocks. Whoa. Flash, stop it. I'm just chilling. That was funny, guys. She fell. She was like this. Let me show you. She slipped, but she actually hit her face. So it was really funny. But Dash, Fasty Car Dash, crashed into the rock. Like, ain't that crazy? Get out! That is really crazy. Ow. Yeah, guys, guess what? I'm gonna go show you the secret. Okay, let's go. Ow. I'm gonna go down the slide. Yay for princess. Wait. Okay, let's do that again. That was really fun. Ow! I hit my face on the ground. Let's go. Secret. Guys, we're gonna be showing the secret room, but our boss is not here, and he doesn't want us going back there. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Shh! I heard you guys. Shh! 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 Okay, hush, and we'll take it back there later. Let's go. Well, this is what Bucky was talking about when he was talking about broken a car. This car broke down here. They was driving and somebody fell asleep and they crashed. So now we're gonna pick this up, lift the bag. I'm gonna go try to drop it off somewhere. More. Well, it broke, but we got the car off first, at least. But that's why the boss didn't want us coming back here. Well, I'm gonna show you guys the car. Well, this is how it flipped over. So, goodbye, car.